Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Decor Obsession. Hope you are all well. You will find different design ideas in this video. If you also want to design your home at the occasion of Christmas, then you see this video beautiful living room decorating design ideas. The designs I have added to my video are very trendy these days and looking so beautiful and nice. Their color combination is also excellent, which has very simple, stylish and looking so gorgeous. Holiday decorating is a healthy distraction from heavy stuff. Your mind can take a break from politics, crazy people, money stress, family stress and etc. and just focus on making your space a little bit festive. Living room decorating makes you feel a bit more in control. Did you know decorating gives you a sense of mastering your environment, allowing you to feel in control? Sometimes life feels out of control. So take this opportunity to reclaim power, even for an afternoon, while you sprinkle holiday cheer everyone. It reframed to focus on the little things. What's more, focus on the little things than setting out a teeny Christmas figuring and thinking, oh, that cute. For the celebration of Christmas, the countdown to Christmas is always a little fun, even for adults. Starbucks has a much awaited seasonal cakes. Friends are surprising friends with glittering themes and make so beautiful. Please watch, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.